Greeting, esteemed audience. It is a pleasure to connect with you once more on this fine day. If you are visiting for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Doing so will ensure you remain informed without any inconvenience. For our loyal subscribers, may you be abundantly blessed. I kindly ask that you express your support by giving a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts on the video, as this will guide us in creating future content. The video presented today focuses how to improve body fitness. Most people tend to focus on one type of exercise or activity and thinking they are doing enough. Research has shown that it's important to get all four types of exercise, which is endurance, strength, balance, and flexibility. Each one has different benefits. Doing one kind also can improve your ability to do the others, and variety helps reduce boredom and risk of injury. No matter your age, you can find activities that meet your fitness level and needs. Let us go into details about the types of exercise one by one. The first one is endurance activities. Endurance activities, often referred to as aerobic, increase your breathing and heart rate. These activities help keep you healthy, improve your fitness, and help you perform the tasks you need to do every day. Endurance exercises. Endurance exercises improve the health of your heart, lungs, and circulatory system. They also can delay or prevent many diseases that are common in adults, such as diabetes, colon and breast cancers, heart disease, and others. Physical activities that build endurance include brisk walking or jogging, yard working, which is mowing or raking, dancing, swimming, biking, climbing stairs or hills, playing tennis or basketball. The second one is strength exercise. Your muscular strength can make a big difference. Strong muscle help you stay independent and make everyday activities feel easier, like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, and carrying groceries. Keeping your muscles strong and can help with your balance and prevent falls and fall injuries. You are less likely to fall when your leg and hip muscles are strong. Some people use weight to improve their muscle strength training or resistance training. Some people choose to use weight to help improve their strength. If you do, start by using light weights at first, then gradually add more. Other people use resistance bands, stretchy elastic bands that come in varying strengths. If you are a beginner, try exercising without the band or use a light band until you are comfortable. Add a band or move on to a stronger band or more weight. When you can do 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions easily, try to do strength exercise for all of your major muscle groups at least 2 days per week, but don't exercise the same muscle group on any 2 days in a row. Below are a few examples of strength exercise: lifting weights, carrying groceries, gripping a tennis ball, arm curls, wall push-ups, lifting your body weight, using a resistance band. The third one is balance exercise. Balance exercise help prevent falls, a common problem in adults that can have serious consequences. Many lower body strength exercise will also improve your balance. Balance exercise include Tai Chi, a moving meditation that involves shifting the body slowly, gently, and precisely while breathing deeply. Standing on one foot, the heel-toe walk, the balance walk, standing from a seated position. And the fourth one is flexibility exercise. Stretching can improve your flexibility. Moving more freely will make it easier for you to reach down to tie your shoes or look over your shoulder when you back your car out of the driveway. Flexibility exercise include the back stretch exercise, the inner thigh stretch, the ankle stretch, the back of leg stretch. By concentrating on these types of exercise, you develop a well-defined muscular physique and accelerate fat loss more rapidly than anticipated. This approach facilitates ease of movement, alleviates bodily discomfort, and enhance your speed in daily tasks. We offer a variety of related videos that can support your health, fitness, and beauty endeavors. I ensure you will find them enjoyable, so please check the link in the description. This channel focuses on your health, fitness, and beauty, and I kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts, as your feedback is invaluable to me. Subscribing to this channel is a simple action that will keep you informed, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye for now.